Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing some ultimate frisbee with a bunch of friends. The losers will have to eat some Chinese snacks, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully I don't lose, but I guess we will see. So yeah, let's get onto the field. How do you play? Alright, so while the others are messing around in the background, we're going to just go through what's going to happen. For whoever does not get the point, the losers are going to have to eat these snacks. This is I don't know, some spicy snack. And then we have some, I don't know what these are. And then we have some tea eggs, which I've never tried, but I hear they're pretty disgusting. And we're going to go per point. It's going to be a lot of fun and not very tasty.
You're getting that. My bad. Yo. No! Oh. Beautiful. That's on point. Hey. It's like bamboo.
Whoa.
You said you only had to eat a bite. Whatever. Wow.
Taylor?
What?
Taylor, you gotta take a bite.
Take it. One.
Take it, loser.
Oh.
We're taking a bite of one? No, you have to eat one.
Eat one.
Or
you have to eat one.
Yeah.
Cameron, you gotta eat one.
Oh, gosh, that's spicy. Alright, go.
All right, we need to get this because we don't. I don't want to be. I really don't. Winners choose, right?
Egg.
Egg? All right.
Egg. No!
Two people.
Number three.
Cameron.
This is great. There's three.
Wait.
Three? What?
Oh, alright.
Oh. Does that taste good?
Ultimate?
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Defense. I got Taylor. All right, the other team says we have to eat these things, so they're gonna be really bad. Here we go.
No.
Oh, they're really. Oh, they're. It's terrible.
The hard ones.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow, that's orange.
What do we do with the other half?
Didn't hear no extra.
They're not bad.
Yeah.
What are they?
Terrible.
A piece of string?
No, they're just weird stuff.
What
They're not terrible.
What is it? That's nasty.
Good job, Cameron.
Yeah.
What are you eating for?
Just cause.
What are you doing?
I like that. Yeah, that was good. Good job. Good job. I think we got that. Yeah. Hot dog. The little hot dog.
So, oh,
You have to eat it raw.
Nasty. It is raw.
Yeah, I know. Well, it is and it's not. It's safe to eat, but it's raw.
You're eating the whole thing, Taylor.
Well, you should though. No, bigger. Okay, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
The whole thing.
Whole thing.
The whole thing.
Yeah, you are.
Put the rest in. Put the rest in. Put the rest in. Put the rest in. Go. You gotta put it in.
Do it. Taylor, you have to.
Yeah.
Good job, David.
They're not that bad, actually. Like, I don't mind
I
them.
personally hate
Okay,
them.
let's go.
Oh, you guys have to catch it.
I think sausage.
I really like sausage.
Sausage is terrible. The egg with the shell. This is bad. This is bad.
We're all tasting it, right?
Yeah.
I'm like Taylor.
With the shell. Hey. With the shell.
No.
How are we doing this? Like, oh, it's disgusting. Oh, the shell's coming off at least.
And it looks nasty.
It looks really bad.
Is it like hard?
Oh, it broke.
Oh, let me see that.
Yum.
Ew.
Oh,
There's a little bit more in here.
everywhere.
Yeah. Disgusting. Okay, like I don't know, break it a little bit or something. There's another little piece in here if you want me to have a bigger bite.
Okay.
Stick together.
Oh dear, this is terrible. This is a big bite.
Not bad.
That's rubbery and nasty.
Oh man.
It has a shell. It has a shell. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. We got to take a minute.
The shell too. Sorry, no.
Oh man,
Don't
I'm
spit
getting
it.
bit.
Don't spit it
tastes
out.
even worse. Oh my gosh. The shell is terrible, man.
Oh. Oh, that's grainy. Ah. Ooh. Ah.
Hey, eat that. Eat it. I saw that. No, move the hand away from the mouth. Hey, no, eat it.
No, it's not. No, when you get the shell in there though.
That's not bad, actually. Brandon? Yes, good. All right, the little wrapper things. Yeah, you guys got to eat the little wrapper things.
It's like beef bouillon. That's probably what it is.
It probably is.
Beef bouillon.
It smells like that. Pokeblock? You mean Minecraft? Hashtag not sponsored.
Don't chew on it. Don't chew on it. Soften it and swallow it. Oh. That was gross. You have to swallow it, guys.
Catch it! You missed. Not the jelly cups?
No. What do we have?
Bamboo or something.
Spiked bamboo.
Some people said it was good, some people said it was not
I
good.
get a jelly cup.
Okay, I got a piece.
This is a small one.
This is not good. This is, yeah. Oh.
My goodness.
It's spicy.
Grab that.
That's really spicy. Wow. It's almost like a jalapeno spicy. Wow.
Hey guys.
These
Oh.
are jalapenos.
Those are really spicy. Okay, we had a lot of fun playing. Those snacks were pretty terrible, don't you guys all agree? Like some of them were pretty good. Like the eggs were really grimy. I hated that. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate that. If you guys like this, let me know in the comments and we can maybe do more like this in the future. Thanks to all you friends for doing that. It was fun. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.
To not lose.
What was?
It's bad.
Those are bad. Wow.
Guys, these are bad.
Wow.